Well, it finally came. The Samsung S10. Now, I know this might be late because other tech reviewers they actually got theirs early. I haven't got benefit of that, so without further ado, we're gonna unbox that as well as the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are pretty cool. Stay tuned. Right now, as you can see, we got the S10 here, and this was provided me by Optus because I bought a fan, which is very nice of them to send out to me. Unfortunately, not free. I gotta pay for it. So I'll undo the plastic and we'll see what's inside. Now, as you can see, we got the S10. Let me move out my earbuds. And this is a bit difficult for me because I am on a very awkward angle. But I will do the best I can. It's got a little tab on the side. Haha, stupid me. What am I thinking? Here's me thinking that that'd be easy. And as you can see, we got the S10 right. Oh, as you can see, we got the S10 right here. Let me just pull it out. See us first. Little instruction manual. Now, as you can see here, we got the camera on top right. Bezels nearly. It's very impressive. I got the pearl white version, and Samsung. The camera interface is right here, and as you can see, the pearl white's got kind of a rainbow texture. So let's see what else is in the box. Also coming in the box, you got a nice white charger, as well as a white USB Type C cable. Standard end C cable, and you come with a little USB dongle so you can plug it into your either MacBook, laptop or PC and other dongle devices. So just simply get your phone, plug it right in, and there you go. You can connect this, a USB 3.0 to a computer, and you should be good. Now they also come with a AKG earphones. I'm not going to take them out because I don't really have a purpose for them right now. I'm just going to keep them in their box because I'm going to use the Galaxy Buds, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. But oh, sorry. Very nice, white, clean, braided cable too. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's braided right here, which is very nice. I love braided cables. It also comes with one of the safety pins, which you need to insert your, and you got all the manuals. So, your good old quick start guide. Pretty simple stuff. And that just comes with simple pin, which you would insert up here. If the camera will focus. There's a little hole there. Hole here, and there's a hole here. I'm not sure what that hole is for, but this one is for a SIM card as well as micro SD card. If it'll focus, you can see it there. It's a very satisfying sound. And I'm not sure if you can tell in here, but it actually comes with a little screen protector as well. Now, the buttons have moved. This is a little bit more above what it standardly is, which is the power button. And you got the volume and Bixby button, which I don't like Bixby, but I still got it in. And this is actually a thumb magnet, which is a little bit annoying, but hey, what can you do? Now let's see if it's got power. Hey, it's got power. Nice. Now I'm gonna enter in all my personal information, and after that I'll come back. As you can see here, this is the S10. Oh no, my battery's exhausted. Right, and that was the S10. If you guys got any more questions about it, feel free to leave them down in the comments. It's currently charging, and I've actually had it for 1 day now because my phone went flat and I had to go to work.
and it's been pretty good so far. The only thing I don't like exactly is,
you see how the camera is right in that corner? Thing is, when I particularly swipe down like that, I typically do it from the corner, and I don't know why, but I just do so. I swipe from the corner, and I accidentally wipe my finger all over the lens, which is not smart. But
other than that, the phone's pretty good. I just gotta get rid of that weird habit of swiping in from the corner. Now, onto the Galaxy earbuds.
As you can see, we got the Galaxy Buds right here. And the Buds, Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now let's open it and see how they work. Oh wow, so cool. So you got the actual spare pieces in here, as well as in here. There's nothing else in the box currently. If you open it, you can see Samsung. And these are the earbuds themselves. I've never seen these before actually. I didn't know they were coming with my phone. Now just before we continue to look at them, let's see what is in here. So as you can see, it comes with a cable. I assume this is for charging this. I assume so. I'm not sure, because I haven't seen these before. So that's a USB Type-C? Yes, a USB Type-C. Now if we come over here, we actually have different sizes. Now I'll be swapping mine out because you got, these are the big earphone pieces. They don't fit my ear because I have small ears. And down here you actually have little ones. Now these ones are, I'm gonna put on myself because I have little ears. And these are just supportings for your ears, so they just stay in place for only if you're running or jogging. And I'm not quite sure what these are, but they are in here anyway. So as for the earphones themselves, as we take them out, these are the earphones. They're pretty cool. Now I need to quickly swap them out for the little earbuds, and I'll show you what they look like. Now since I actually have them on, I'll stick them in my ear and I'll show you what they look like. Now, as you can see, they're my ear. Yeah. Now they do feel a bit weird. They feel a bit noise cancelling too. I'm gonna test out music and quickly see how they perform. Alright, so I'm testing them out. I can't hear you because I can't hear myself talk. They're pretty good, and if you customize them, you can actually hold. What? Wrong way. Let's turn up. Let's turn it down. It's pretty cool. Not that awesome. Just a quick disclaimer. If you guys are into bass, or you're a bass head and you really like hip hop, these are not the earbuds for you. Reason being is because I like bass. Bass is nice. However, these do not provide that good of a bass. It's like, eh. However, if you do want good bass, I have some BlazeTech headphones, which provide very good bass. And that's your quick disclaimer. If you guys want me to talk about BlazeTech more, then I'll leave a review on it, share my thoughts and opinions, and there we go. Also, there's an app on your phone, on your Samsung phone. If you go into Samsung and go to Galaxy Wearable, you will come up with this. And this is your Beats. This is your Galaxy Buds adapter, equalizer, settings area. As you can see, if you go into Galaxy Wearable and you go into your Galaxy Buds, You got equalizer, you can change it, turn it off, turn it on. You can set notifications, touchpad. You can change it to voice command, quick ambient sound or volume down. And you can have this little feature where if you say start, it dings. And I can't do it right now. I'll take one earphone out.
And I'm not sure if you hear that whistling, but if you hear that whistling, it gets louder and louder, telling you where your earbuds are. And if you put it back in your ear, it just turns off automatically. So that's cool if you lose earbuds.
You get ambient sound, where you can listen to outside noises more clearly and voices as well. So that's just little neat features.
If you guys want anything else on this particular topic, feel free to comment below. I'll get back to you when I can. If you guys want to pick these up, you can pick these up by a link down below. And if you guys want to know anything else, it'd be pretty cool to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Have you got the Galaxy Buds? Have you not got the Galaxy Buds? Do you like it? Do you not like them? Have you got a Samsung Galaxy S10? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you prefer other phones? Leave a comment below. Thank you. Subscribe, like. See you on the next one.